In this video, I will explain find the Fourier transform of signal, sinusoidal signal. Sinusoidal signal x of t. Therefore, x of t is equal to sin omega naught t. Solution. This one is a periodic signal. With the sinusoidal signal. Time period is equal to t naught. Omega naught is equal to 2 pi by t naught. This one is a periodic signal. This one is periodic signal, sinusoidal signal. X of t is equal to sin omega naught t, represented in exponential form e power j omega naught t minus e power minus j omega naught t by 2j. Here 1 by 2j e power j omega naught t plus minus 1 by 2j e power minus j omega naught t. But according to Fourier series, x of t is equal to Fourier series used to represent the periodic signals. According to sinusoidal signal is a periodic signal. According to Fourier series, exponential complex exponential Fourier series, x of t is equal to sigma n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity c of n e power j n omega naught. This one is equation 1. In equation 1, e power j omega naught t, e power minus j omega naught t is there. That is the reason in this second equation, suppose n value is equal to 1, c1 e power j omega naught t. N value is equal to minus 1, c minus 1 e power minus j and omega naught t. Therefore, second equation is converted into first equation when n is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. N is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. Consider these two. Minus infinity to in that minus n value minus infinity to plus infinity. In that range, we have to consider n is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1 because in the first expression involves e power j omega naught t e power minus j omega naught t. Put n is equal to 1 here. C1 e power j omega naught t c minus plus, this is summation, plus c minus 1 e power n is equal to minus 1 e power minus j omega naught t. Compare first equation with third equation. Therefore, compare first equation with third equation. C1 is equal to 1 by 2j. C minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2j. Compare 1 and 3 equations. According to, we know that Fourier transform of periodic signal x of t is equal to, we know that this one is x of t is the periodic signal. Sinusoidal signal is a periodic signal. 2 pi sigma n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity cn dou of omega minus n omega. Here n is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. N is equal to 1 and n is equal to minus 1. Consider this one. 2 pi c1 n is equal to 1. C1 dou of omega minus omega naught plus n is equal to minus 1. C minus 1 dou of n is equal to minus 1 means minus into minus plus. C1 is equal to 2 pi. C1 is equal to, we know that 1 by 2z dou of omega minus omega naught plus C minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2z minus minus 1 by 2z dou of omega plus omega naught. 2z bring outside 2 pi by pi 2z, 2 to cancel, dou of omega minus omega naught minus dou of omega plus omega naught. Numerator and denominator is multiplied with j. J square is minus 1 minus pi j dou of omega minus omega naught minus dou of omega plus omega naught. Here minus sign is multiplied with this entire expression with minus into minus plus pj pi j. Here minus dou omega minus omega naught minus into minus plus dou omega plus omega naught. Finally, dou of omega plus omega naught minus dou of omega minus omega naught. This is the Fourier transform of sinusoidal signal sin omega naught t is equal to, this is the x expression. Pi is a dou of omega plus omega naught minus dou of omega minus omega naught. With this, the analysis is completed. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel for further updates. Thank you.